There's no point having super fast internet, 1 Gbps, but the scammers come at you at the speed of 1 Gbps. There's no point having wide coverage of all of the telcos, but it also gives wide coverage to cyberbullies and pedophiles. This is extremely worrying. In fact, the numbers indicate that we need to do more. So inshallah, I hope that all of you here will also assist us. A very simple message. Children under the age of 13 should not be playing social media. We put a stop to that. Pastikan adik-adik kita, anak-anak kita berusia 13 tahun ke bawah tak payah main social media, tak payah main TikTok. Dah besar sikit nak belajar, nak main, boleh. Tapi gunakan dengan berhati-hati. We should use the internet safely.